Good day everyone. Welcome to my video. This is me, Johan. This video is about mindset. Mindset of a true businessman. Okay? So, if you cannot stay, do not start. Entrepreneurship is boring, and that's why it pays. Okay? Business is not for everyone. That's a hard pill to swallow. Just because you have capital doesn't mean you are built for business. Just because you know how to sell doesn't mean you can run operations. Okay? Just because something is trending doesn't mean you should jump in. Many people are attracted to the idea of business, the freedom, the money, the image of success. But they are not prepared for the discipline, the patience, okay? And the responsibility that comes with it. Business is not for the emotional. If sales are weak for one week and you already want to shut everything down, you are not ready. If one bad review feels like the end of the world, you are not ready. Business will test your stability, okay? There will be slow days, there will be months where you questions everything. If your emotions control your decisions, your business will suffer. Business is not for the ego driven. If you always need to be right, if you refuse systems because you think you already know enough, if feedbacks feels like an attack instead of guidance, growth will be limited. Okay? Again, growth will be limited. Business humbles people. It exposes weaknesses. It forces you to admit when you are wrong. Pride can bankrupt faster than competition. Business is not for those who are lazy thinkers. If you avoid numbers, you will avoid clarity. If you hate rocking, you will hate improvement. If you reject processes and just want sales, you are gambling, not building. Revenue without structure is chaos. Sales without systems are temporary. Real business is built on data, patterns, and refinement. You study what works. You measure what fails. You adjust, not complain. Business is for the accountable. Okay? Again, business is for the accountable. When something goes wrong, you don't blame the market immediately. You ask, what did I miss? What can I improve? Where did the system break? You are the leader. You absorb the mistakes. You take responsibility. You adapt. This is maturity. Okay? That is maturity. Business, when done right, is boring. Yes, very boring. It is repetitive. It is structured. It is consistent. There are standards. There are routines. There are processes repeated daily. And within that repetition is profit. The excitement most people chase is not where stability is built. True entrepreneurs understand the consistency create results, not hype. It is not for everyone. It is for those who can stay when it's quiet. It is for those who can endure when it's slow. Okay? It is for those who choose discipline over drama. Because the real test of a business person is not how loud they are during success. It is how steady they are during silence. Okay? My message to everyone is business is not about passion alone. It is about discipline. Okay? Responsibility and emotional control. If you can stay consistent when nothing feels exciting, take accountability when things go wrong, and build systems instead of chasing hype, that is where true entrepreneurship begins. Okay? Be present in times of failure. Okay? It is okay to fail. In times of loss, many businesses lost many times. But the thing is, the mindset, you have to be present through ups and down, through win and fail, through win and lost, di ba? We have to be accountable. That's it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. God bless.